Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to whiten yellow teeth in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, open the Layer panel. Click on the Adjustment layer and choose Hue Saturation. Select the yellow color and adjust its saturation and lightness settings. Adjust it till you get your desired color. But this also has changed the actual image color. For that, click on Mask and press Ctrl+I. Then select the brush. Use these settings. Foreground color must be white. And apply. Here is before, and here is after. Later on, further, you can adjust its color settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.